Hi and welcome to Sim the Turnery. Today I want to talk about putting some hinges into a piece of wood and how many times have you got them in and they've been slightly crooked when you put the screws in. So I found out a piece of kit that I'd forgotten I'd got, and basically what it is it's a pilot hole drill that this piece is sprung and then the drill comes out the centre. And there we go, that's actually back so you can see it. This piece comes out of the centre and this aligns it so it's the centre of the hole as you push the drill through. And what that means is as you go down through your hole, instead of the screw being off to the left or off to the right or wherever, it's exactly in the centre. So that means that if we put it into the drill or into the screwdriver, because this is actually quite neat and has a screwdriver set on it. We put it into the screwdriver like this. We line our hinge bracket up, and I quite like to use a caliper just to make sure that I've got it exactly right. Okay, hold the hinge where it is, bring the alignment tool, little hole, swap over to the tip, and it's exactly where I want it. Same again. And it's perfect every time. So, a little bit of kit that I'd forgotten that I'd got. Quite nice bits of kit, clever bits of kit, and so useful. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you think that the information is worth having. Thanks very much. Bye bye.